Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So this is the part 2 of our video series in which we are learning the Korean numbers. If you have not watched the part 1 yet, you should go and watch it first, because in that part, that is the part 1, I introduced you all with the two Korean number systems, that is the Sino Korean number system and the native Korean number system. And also we learned how to count from 1 to 10 in both of them. Now in the part 2, we are going to learn how to form Sino Korean numbers from 11 to 100. So let's start. Okay, let's just quickly revise Sino Korean numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you should be familiar with these numbers. Alright, now let's see how to count Sino Korean numbers from 11 to 99. Okay, now the basic concept is that you need to learn the first 10 Sino Korean numbers, that is from 1 to 10. Once you have mastered them, you can easily create numbers from 11 to 99 using very simple combinations, right? Now let's see what are these combinations. Okay, suppose you have to form numbers from 11 to 20. What you have to do is, to form numbers from 11 to 99, you need to begin with shib, that is 10, followed by another number from 1 to 9, right? For example, you have to say 11 in Korean language. Now 11 is a combination of 10 and 1. So 10 in Korean is shib and 1 is il. So 11 is shib il. So this is very easy to learn. 11 is shib il. Now if you want to say 20 in Korean language, then 20 is simply 2 times 10, right? 2 in Korean is E and 10 is shib. So 20 is E shib. Okay, now let's see all the numbers from 11 to 20. 11, as I said earlier, is a combination of 10 and 1. So it is shib il. Similarly, 12 will be shib E. 13, shib sam. 14, shib sa. 15, shib o. 16, shib nyuk. 17, shib chil. 18, shib pal. 19, shib ku. And 20, remember here 20 is 2 times 10. So 20 is E shib. Now based on this concept, all the remaining numbers from 21 to 99 can be formed, right? The same concept is applied on them too. Let's see how. Okay, now we saw that 20 is E shib, right? Now 21 is a combination of 20 and 1. So 20 is E shib and 1 is il. So 21 is automatically E shib il, right? So easy. So here you go. 22 is E shib E. 23 E shib sam. Then comes E shib sa, E shib o, E shib nyuk, E shib chil, E shib pal, E shib ku. And 30, as we saw earlier, 20 is 2 times 10. So 30 is 3 times 10. 3 in Korean is sam and 10 is shib. So 30 is sam shib, right? So this is a very easy concept. Next comes numbers from 31 to 40. Let's see. We saw 30 is sam shib. So 31 is a combination of 30 and 1. So it will be sam shib il. Similarly, sam shib E, sam shib sam, sam shib sa, sam shib o, sam shib nyuk, sam shib chil, sam shib pal, sam shib ku. And 40 is 4 times 10. So it will be sa shib, right? In Sino Korean number system, 4 is sa. So 40 is 40. Okay, next is numbers from 41 to 50. 41 is again 40 and 1. So it will be 41. Okay, similarly other numbers will be 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50 is 5 times 10. 5 is O. So 50 will be O ship. Okay, so here you learn how to form numbers till 50. Now the same concept is applied to numbers starting from 51 to 99. So I'm not gonna pronounce each and every number separately. You can just go through these tables. You can pause the video and you can note them down if you want to, as you wish. Okay, you can just go through them. Here are the numbers from 51 to 60. The same concept, the same pattern is applied on all the numbers. Okay, next comes Sino Korean numbers from 61 to 70. Here is the complete list. Next, let's see numbers from 71 to 80. Okay, next is numbers from 81 to 90. Alright, next is from 91 to 99. Now, here till 99, you got to know all the numbers. Very easy to learn, very easy to remember. Now, let's see what is 100 in Korean language. 100 is pig. Pig, right? Whenever you are writing down or pronouncing numbers in the Sino Korean number system, then in Sino Korean number system 100 is pig. Pig. So in this video we learned how to count numbers from 11 to 100 in the Sino Korean number system. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.